I've been trying so hard to avoid these news because I really didn't want them to be true, but I guess it's time we face the music. Guys, uLuyanda has exited Sbongile and Dlaminis. Maybe let's start this video like this. Guys, how does a main character leave a show? You know, at this point, my mind is everywhere. Pelarithmol has been trying to let Mamzobe go for a very long time now, and the only thing that hindered them from doing that was the fact that they couldn't find a suitable replacement for her. But if they manage to recast a big character like Sbongile and Dlaminis, I mean, they can just take Zikona Sodla to come and play Mamzobe on Umkok. Look at me talking about things that I don't even know. Guys, don't mind me. In fact, don't mind what I've just said in your paper. I created this video to share with you guys that Luyanda Zwane, who's an actress that plays Sbongile and Dlaminis, recently left the show. I am not sure how many episodes left before season 1 ends, but rumors are Luyanda will not come back as Sbongile in season 2 of the show. This was announced by the producer of the show, who was commenting about the show as it recently celebrated its 2.6 million views milestone. There are also some sources that state that Luyanda also commented regarding this news and confirmed that Sbongile is recasted and she is not coming back on the next season. I am not sure which media house, but according to them, these were Luyanda Zwane's words when being asked to comment on this. This achievement confirms that we're on the right track, telling meaningful stories that bring happiness and hope. The reception from South Africa is amazing. As for season 2, expecting new Sbongile, I won't be returning due to differences and challenges with the production. As the leading lady, this makes me super happy and proud because I cherish Sbongile's journey. It's very close to my heart, and seeing South Africa touched by her is absolutely amazing. And those are words by Luyanda Zwane. More rumors suggested that there's another source that is close to Rhythm World, which is a production company that produced Sbongile and Dlaminis. So this source stated that Luyanda stopped filming with the show back in 2023 and that she's currently shooting with the new ETV telenovela called Despeto. Guys, do comment on the comment section and share your thoughts regarding this on the comment section. And if you ask me, I am not okay. We've just seen how problematic recasting is. I mean, look at how Miss Smoke and Mirrors is after Caesar was recasted. Fans were so angry. So, no matter how good the actress who replaces Luyanda is going to be, we will never accept her because we'll be comparing her to Luyanda. So, recasting never works, not in SA at least. So guys, with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Please like the video if you enjoy the content, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.